Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the SSD type and compatibility with your device, because mismatched form factors waste time. Once you have the right drive, back up everything, clone the old disk or create a full image, and verify the backup boots in a test environment. Make sure you have tools ready: anti-static strap to avoid damage, a small screwdriver, and a soldered USB adapter for cloning. Start removing power and battery if applicable. This prevents shorts and prepares you to open the chassis safely. You now open the case and locate the existing drive. Follow device-specific access points and keep screws organized. If cloning, connect the new SSD via adapter and run your cloning software, verifying partition sizes and alignment settings. This preserves bootability. For a clean install, create bootable media and proceed with OS installation, partitioning as needed. Once the drive image, or OS, is ready, remove the old SSD. Install the new one into the correct slot and secure it. You finish by reconnecting power and entering BIOS or UEFI to set the new SSD as the primary boot device. Enable OSI or NVMe mode so the OS uses the drive correctly. Boot into the system, install drivers if needed, then run smart checks and a quick benchmark to confirm performance and temperature are normal. Update the SSD firmware if available. If the system fails to boot, reseat the drive and cables, reset BIOS to defaults, or revert to your verified backup image to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.